You know, we all want to improve ourselves. I mean, who doesn't want to be better, right? But here's the crazy thing. Most of the advice out there is just plain wrong. And what's even more messed up is that some of this bad advice can actually hurt you. If you're constantly surrounded by negativity or people who bring you down, guess what? There will be ups and downs along the way. Just stick with it. Here's the thing. You can have all the skills in the world, but if you're sick or injured, you're not going to be able to use them. Skills are important, but health is the foundation that makes it all possible. Without good health, you're not going to be able to perform at your best. It's like trying to build a house on a shaky foundation. It's just not going to work. So take care of your body. Eat healthy, exercise, and get enough rest. Skills are important, but health is the ultimate skill. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, so don't expect to transform your life overnight. Here's the deal. Having strong connections with others is important, but it all starts with your relationship with yourself. If you don't like or respect yourself, it's going to be hard to have healthy relationships with others. You need to accept yourself for who you are before you can fully connect with someone else. It's like trying to pour water into a cup that's already full. The water is just going to spill everywhere. So work on building a strong connection with yourself. Once you do, you'll be able to form deeper connections with those around you. It takes time to build new habits and break old ones. Have you tried different techniques or strategies? Do they work for you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep improving. But trust me, the effort is worth it. Imagine waking up every morning feeling great about yourself, knowing that you're on the right path. That's the kind of journey worth taking. It's going to be hard to stay positive. On the other hand, if you hang around with people who inspire you and push you to be better, it's going to be easier to adopt a positive mindset. Think about your closest friends. Are they the type of people who make you feel good about yourself? Or do they make you feel like crap? Take a good look at the people in your inner circle. Do you really want to keep them in your life? Maybe it's time to make some changes. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps me out. So today I want to give you the truth about self-improvement. 5 truths to be exact. By the way, this is coming from someone who has read over 300 self-improvement books. So I think I have a pretty good perspective on this. It's not about positive affirmations, and it's not about lighting candles and making wishes. Improving your life is a practical, down-to-earth process of setting goals and taking actions. Okay, but that's boring. Who wants to hear that? It's like the advice that no one wants to hear because everyone wants a magic pill. The truth is, if you want to improve, you need to get real. You need to face your problems head-on and work on them. No magic needed. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1, improving your life is not some magical, mystical process. Oh, I know, right? Number 2, improving your mindset is important, but so is improving your environment. So here's the deal. Your environment shapes your mindset. Number 3, improving your life is not a destination. It's a journey. This is a long-term process, my friend. Number 4, improving your skills is important, but so is improving your health. And number 5, improving your relationships is key, but so is improving your connection with yourself. So there you have it, the 5 truths about self-improvement. Now I want to hear from you. What's your experience with self-improvement?